on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. This is Atomic Diesel. My name's Tyler.
And I'm Jeremiah.
And we're gonna do a little intro video here and just intro to the channel, try and show y'all what we're about, what we do over here. It'll primarily focus on the 3 trucks you see behind us. We'll do a quick little rundown on them, and just do a quick history on all the trucks, and just to give you an idea of what you'll be looking at if you follow the channel.
Don't get me wrong, yeah, thank you, all right. That won't keep you in the middle of the night. Ooh. Yeah, this is my 94.5 F350. Started life as a 2-wheel drive fleet truck. Now is a 05 axle swapped, 6-speed trans, and had a decent 7.3 that spit the rods out the side. So we're rebuilding the engine as we're running a set of 3x2s, 67.7, and the engine was built too tight. So the piston swelled from heat and it yanked the rod out the bottom, causing catastrophic failure.
That didn't have anything to do with your foot, right?
Huh?
That didn't have anything to do with your foot, right?
Oh, no.
Okay.
The flame coming out the hood stack is the least of our worries.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so the reason, if you look, that it is a bullnose truck now, it's still a 94.5. It was wrecked previously by my wife, and all I had left was another full bullnose truck that I swapped everything over on. I mean, we're pulling this engine apart. Bought it, junkyard engine, $200. Don't know nothing about it. We're pulling it apart. Gonna put low compression pistons back in it. Shock peen the rods, balance the rotate assembly, girdle, cam. Try to see if we can break 800 horse on fuel on a single charger. Probably bump it up to 76 millimeter on the charger. Throw that little baby 68 away. And of course we're gonna have to put a little giggle gas on it, you know. We like to party.
Hi, my name's Randy. This is the Atomic Diesel YouTube channel. This is Matt, and this is my business, Tru Cylinder Head Machine. We're a machine shop, and we remanufacture diesel and gas engines. So we're gonna give you a quick shop tour. This is a Cummins we just rebuilt. This is a John Deere. We do just about everything in here. Small gas, import stuff, all the way up to the big diesel, some of the industrial diesel stuff. This is generally our assembly area. We do all our assembly work. You go over here, all our block work and cylinder head machine processes are done through here. All the dirty work, cleaning, hot tanking, all the greasy, nasty stuff is done over here. We got our Peterson Power Stroke home, Rottler boring set up. We got a CVN PCD style surfacer there that does all our decking, cylinder head surfacing. That green machine in the back, that's our valve guide and seat machine that does all our valve jobs, valve guide work. Pretty much anything cylinder head related is done there. We got a couple other boring machines here for different processes. That's one of our valve grinders we have there. That's our centerless setup, and then we've got our regular chuck style valve grinder over there. If you come over here, it's kind of a mess. We got a lot of junk over here, but this is all the connecting rod stuff. This does everything from big end resizing, connecting rod bushings, heat fitting wrist pins, pressing pistons off, pretty much all the connecting rod stuff. And then right here is our line hone setup. This trues up the mains and squares them up to the cam tunnel, and gets all our mains within size for where we want for correct bearing crush. And then yeah, all our cylinder head assembly is done over here. This is where we put together, set all our valve heights, spring heights, and final assemble all our cylinder heads before it goes over to final assembly over here, which is where usually our short blocks, long blocks, all that are put together. So it's a pretty small shop, it's pretty tight, but we can do pretty much everything in-house except all our crankshaft grinding and balancing we have sent off and done elsewhere. So